52 Habits to Change Your Life. Catch the latest tip every week only on Happiest Health. Add these simple steps to your daily routine and see a healthier you within a year.
Habit number 12. Add chutneys to your meals. What if your favorite chutney could actually boost your health? These versatile companion dishes enhance the nutritional value of food, aid digestion, and serve as appetizers. The diverse ingredients in chutneys such as fruits, vegetables, leafy greens, and spices offer numerous health benefits. Here is an easy chutney recipe with some commonly used ingredients. Freshly grated coconut 1 cup, peanuts 1/4 of a cup, sesame seeds 1/4 of a cup, dried red chillies 2 to 3, cumin 1 teaspoon, coriander seeds 1 teaspoon, garlic 4 to 5 cloves, ginger 1-inch piece, grated raw mango a small one, or tamarind paste 1 tablespoon, salt according to taste, jaggery that's optional 1 tablespoon, oil or ghee for seasoning 1 tablespoon, water as required, and coriander leaves half a cup. Coriander leaves can also be replaced with medicinal herbs. Preparation. To prepare the spice mixture, heat oil or ghee in a pan over low heat. Saute peanuts and sesame seeds until light brown. Add dried red chillies, cumin, coriander seeds, and garlic cloves. Saute until the spices are fragrant and the garlic is slightly browned. To this, add grated coconut and saute for a minute. Cook peeled and grated raw mango or tamarind paste until soft. Add coriander leaves or medicinal herbs of your choice and saute for a minute. Allow the mixture to cool down and transfer to a blender or food processor. Add salt and, if needed, jaggery and blend to a smooth paste. Add water as needed to adjust consistency. To enhance the flavor, heat a teaspoon of oil in a small seasoning pan. Add mustard seeds, dried red chillies, and curry leaves. Fry until the mustard seeds burst. Pour the seasoning over the chutney and mix thoroughly. Transfer the chutney to a serving bowl and serve as a fresh snack or side dish. This recipe can be stored in the refrigerator for a few days but is best enjoyed fresh. Adjust the spice and sweetness to your taste. You could also add these for additional benefits: spinach leaves, drumstick leaves, fenugreek leaves, gotu kola leaves, Indian mint leaves. However, avoid consuming in excess quantities.